Welcome to my channel.
5 easy ways to secure your home Wi-Fi network. 1. Change the default router password. Most routers come with a default admin username and password. Log into your router settings and change the admin password to something strong and unique. 2. Use a strong Wi-Fi password. Set a strong Wi-Fi password using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid simple passwords like 12,345,678 or password. 3. Enable WPA3 or WPA2 encryption. Make sure your router security is set to WPA3 or WPA2 encryption to keep your network protected from hackers. 4. Change the default network name. Routers usually have a default Wi-Fi name, SSID. Change it to something unique so others cannot easily identify your router model. 5. Disable WPS feature. Turn off the Wi-Fi protected setup, WPS, feature in your router settings because it can sometimes be exploited by attackers. 6. Enable guest network. If visitors need internet access, create a guest Wi-Fi network instead of sharing your main network password. 7. Update router firmware. Check your router settings regularly and install firmware updates to improve performance and security. 8. Limit connected devices. Remove unknown or unused devices from the router dashboard to keep your network safe. 9. Turn off remote management. Disable remote management if you don't need it. This prevents outsiders from accessing your router settings from the internet. 10. Restart your router occasionally. Restarting your router can refresh the connection and help maintain stable and secure network performance.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.